How to use Alaska Airlines companion fare. Ensure you have a companion fare voucher. This is typically provided when you hold an Alaska Airlines credit card, such as Alaska Airlines Visa Signature Card. When you log into your Alaska Airlines Mileage Plan account, you can find your companion fare on the left side of your profile under Discount and Companion Fare Codes and Valid. The Alaska Airlines Companion Fare Code can be used for one-ways. The voucher is valid for a specific period, so check the expiration date before booking. Now, log in to your Alaska Airlines account on their website, using your credentials to access your companion fare voucher. Next, enter your destination, dates, and other required information for your trip. Select the flight you wish to book and proceed to the checkout. During the booking process, you'll see an option to apply your companion fare. Click on the Add Companion option. If you are eligible, you will see a prompt asking you to apply your companion fare voucher. After entering all the details and ensuring everything looks good, complete your payment for the first ticket. The companion ticket will automatically be added to your reservation.